Okay, so about a week ago, Jonathan, my coach and the head of my AI community, kicked off this AI influencer automation contest. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell by this comment I left, but I'm feeling pretty confident in my ability to take this win. It's actually nothing I haven't done before. If you look at this is a make.com automation I built about maybe 6 months ago. With these new skills I have in N8N, I think I got a good shot at building a winner. Step 1 is, and as you can see here, we've got ChatGPT open, ready for us to start brainstorming. So, I guess it's time to come clean. In the last 3 weeks, something has been quietly happening here on this channel because my coach, Jonathan Acuna, put out a very specific contest for an AI social media influencer. The official post lists requirements for the entry, such as being able to post on its own 3 times a day, having existing posts to prove that it can, and certain technical aspects like B-roll. Now, I don't want to get cocky, but I think I can win because AI social media influencers are not anything new to me. They're one of the first things that I built 8 months ago in make.com was my first AI social media influencer build. In fact, you saw one earlier on this channel, which I'll share at the end, and that one is actually an N8N template that I used during my research. I can't talk too much about what I'm building or how it works, since the contest is still ongoing, but given that the deadline is the 18th, you can pretty surely expect a showcase video Sunday. So, if you want to stick around for that, leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.